Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the second episode of me reviewing my monthly analytics with you guys. So in the month of February, like I told you guys last month, I uploaded shorts every day for 15 days, and that was from February 1st to February 13th, and I'll be showing you guys how that affected my channel. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Adunni, and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials to help you spend less and save more. So basically, this is just my feed, and like these are a few of the people that I am currently really watching on my channel. Lamide Elizabeth, Eniola, Jessica George, and of course Hallelujah Challenge. So let's move to my YouTube studio, and then we'll move straight to the analytics, and we're going to get into all the juice. So we are currently on 892 subscribers as at the time filming this video. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you find any of my content helpful, kindly subscribe. Please subscribe. So this is what my channel is looking like in the last 28 days, but we are going to be talking majorly about February. So what you're seeing now is actually not the entire it has a bit of January in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the date to February, and we would be analyzing how my channel did in February. So now let's get to it. So YouTube actually updates their analytics like 2 days back. So this is what the overview of my channel is looking like in the month of February, and that is from February 1st to February 26th of 2023. So I recorded this video on the 28th, which is the last day in the month of February. So in the month of February, my channel gained 22,657 views, which is 76% more than how it did last month. So that means there is a growth, right? Which I'm very happy for. And the next thing you're seeing now is the content that did well in my channel. So the content that really did well in February is this: how to make butterfly locks with Brazilian wool. This content alone had 3,271 views in the month of February, and it was my #1 content in February. But this is to say that I had uploaded this content since 1st of December. That means people are finding it valuable. If you have not seen the video, make sure you watch it after this one, okay? So YouTube basically showed me like the top 10 best performing video and shorts in the month of February. So there are a few videos, not actually a few, I can see like one video, one short, a few videos and a few shorts that did well, but the one that did the highest was the butterfly locks video, and the day that had the highest view in February was February 4th, where I uploaded my 6 weeks big chop update, and I also uploaded a short relating to that, like a main video and a short. So now we're going to go to the contents. So now, as you can see from this chart, YouTube is basically telling me that overall that my channel got my content from shorts. My short contents were basically found from shorts feed, and I am just going to go back a little tiny bit to explain some things to you guys. So basically, I got 22,600 and something views. I uploaded 19 shorts in the month of February, and I uploaded 6 videos in the month of February. I was busy, I was lazy. I missed a few upload days. And I had 15,000 15,000 plus views from shorts and 7,600 views from videos. So that means my shorts had more views in the month of February compared to my videos, which is actually understandable because I uploaded more shorts. I was basically uploading shorts every day for 15 days, guys. It wasn't easy. Like, I'm not even going to lie to you guys. It wasn't easy uploading every day for 15 days. So in February, I gained 148 subscribers, and 89 subscribers were from my long form videos, which I'm actually very grateful for. Like, I am actually so happy that I had more subscribers from long form videos. Then 50 subscribers were from my shorts and 5 subscribers from others. Then 1 subscriber from like my community posts. In case you guys don't know, I'm actually very I am very active with sharing my community post. So the total of subscribers I got in February was 148. Actually, I had a goal of getting about 200 subscribers. No, I got February 1st. My channel was on 750, I guess. So I actually wanted to hit 1,000 subscribers in February, but we didn't get it. But today is February 28th. I recorded this video midnight of February, like around 12 a.m. But I am talking to you guys now at exactly 11:59, like 11 past 11, and we're actually at 910 subscribers. So I'm actually very happy. So the amount of people that saw my channel, that saw things from my channel in the month of February is 92,700. That is the amount of people that YouTube showed my videos to generally. So a few of my returning subscribers in February, 575 subscribers, and I had 19,600 unique viewers. So 19,600 people that I've never seen ADUNNI'S page before saw my video in February. But I don't know why you guys don't subscribe. Like, imagine if this 19,600 people subscribed, or maybe just if it's certain percentage of them subscribed. So please, if you're a new viewer and you're seeing my channel and you're seeing this video and you find it helpful, please subscribe. Please subscribe if you find my content helpful and if you'll be coming back. So majority of my subscribers, of my viewers, are Nigerians, which is understandable because I'm a Nigerian based in Nigeria. Then the United States, so Nigeria has 24%, United States have 74%, Ghana has about 3.3%, then India 3.1%, then Kenya 2.6%, like that. And you guys can see, just like I was saying earlier, a large percentage of people that watch my channel are not subscribed. Why? 92.7% of people that watch my channel are not subscribed. Why? Please subscribe. Like, I'm begging you guys, please subscribe. I know we're definitely going to hit 1,000 subscribers and even more in the month of March. And this is me saying happy new month to you guys. I wish you guys the very best month in the month of March. It's currently 12:11 a.m. Happy new month, guys. Welcome to March. I wish you guys good news, joy, happiness, and a lot of good things. I wish you everything you wish yourself. So in the month of February, we're going to go back to all now. So, like I said earlier, my videos, like my long form videos, was shown to 78,618 people, which is 33% more than it did last month, but only 7,581 people watched. So less than 10% of the people that YouTube showed actually watched it. Then watch hour. So in the month of February, I gained 3,586 watch hour. That's a lot. And YouTube is telling me that this watch hour is 37% more than what I had in January. Guys, please don't skip my videos. Please watch my videos from beginning to the end. We're getting closer. We're halfway, very close, halfway close to monetization. If we hit 1,000 subscribers in the month of March, then monetization is very close. Please help me, help my movement, so that when I blow, you can be able to say, I used to watch that girl video. I knew when she started. So basically, that is it. And also, the video that had the highest view duration is the same video that had the highest view count, which is the butterfly locks with Brazilian wool. Then basically that's everything. Like basically that's everything I think you guys will be interested in knowing. So higher percentage of the subscribers that I got in February came from my long form videos, and just 50 subscribers came, not just actually, like, I appreciate the 50 subscribers came from my shorts. Then if there's anything you would want me to say that you feel I didn't talk about in this video, you can go ahead to drop your question in the comment section. You guys know I would always be here to listen to you and to answer any question within the best of my ability. And this is just me looking at like my timeline. If you guys are going to see, you will see that from the beginning of like February to like second week, I was very active. But you see, this last week, I wasn't active at all. So basically, this is just me showing you guys my contents, and you guys should just look out. This March, I have a lot of amazing tutorials and educative, informative videos for you guys. So that is it. I'll see you guys on Sunday in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful. And this was that uncovering my secret YouTube analytics was the first episode of something like this that I did in January. Hopefully I'll see you guys again with something like this in March, at the end of March. Hopefully with bigger news, bigger subscriber counts, bigger watch hour counts, bigger subscriber gain, larger view count. And that's just it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.